Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Blockdag using MetaMask. First, you will need to set up your MetaMask wallet. Download the official MetaMask extension for your browser or the mobile application. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet, carefully noting your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for wallet recovery, so keep it extremely safe and private. Once set up, ensure your wallet is connected to the appropriate blockchain network, such as the Ethereum mainnet. Now that your MetaMask wallet is ready, the next step is to fund it with cryptocurrency. You will need either Ethereum, Binance Coin, or Tether to purchase Blockdag. You can conveniently buy these directly through MetaMask using a debit card, credit card, or other payment options. Another way is to transfer funds from a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet address. Remember to always verify the network and address for secure transactions. With funds in your MetaMask, you are ready to buy Blockdag. Visit the official Blockdag website or a reputable decentralized exchange that lists Blockdag. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner, and select MetaMask. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to swap, like Ethereum, and then select Blockdag as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount, review the transaction details, and approve the purchase in MetaMask. After completing your purchase, you will want to see your new Blockdag tokens in MetaMask. First, find the official Blockdag token contract address from a reliable source. In your MetaMask wallet, go to the Tokens tab and click Import Tokens. Paste the copied contract address into the designated field. MetaMask should automatically populate the token symbol and decimals. Click Add Custom Token, and then Import Tokens to view your Blockdag balance in your wallet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.